Hey guys, so today I've got a 2023 Ford Expedition. I'm going to show you how to reset the oil light after the oil change. So we're going to use these buttons right over here, up, down, OK in the menu, back button. So the first thing we're going to do is turn the ignition to the on position. Once all these messages clear up, you can press OK to clear them. Go down to vehicle information. Then press OK, driver assistance, OK. Go down, tire pressures, down, up. You see the oil engine information, oil life 33%. So we're going to press and hold this OK button. And the lights reset. So it's very simple to do. No special tools are required if you're doing your own oil changes or somebody forgot to reset the light after doing an oil change. You don't need to drive all the way back. It's very simple to do. And you can always confirm by turning the ignition off, starting the truck back, and the message should be gone. All right, so hopefully this helps. Thank you for watching this video. Please support, like, and subscribe.